How we doing? Let's go. Let's get it. We are live. We are on. We are here trading. Let's get straight into it. Boom. Let's get rolling. Hey? Oh, already. Looks like we're getting a bit of a melt, but that's fine. We are in the lead up to NFP, the big one. This is the one that you're going to get a lot of moves. A lot of moves for now, and it'll probably set the tone for the next maybe month or so. Like, we'll see. We'll see how long it sets the tone, but it should set the tone for a lot of the markets, especially this one. If the Fed cut rates at a certain, I think it's what they cut rates at 25 or 50. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But for right now, we're here. We're here at gold. Let's have a look at it on the monthly. Let's do a bit of top-down analysis, right? Let's have a look at the monthly. The monthly is, again, just a huge bullish push. Just going up, 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 up. It's just going and going and going. The weekly, and it's building. It's building structure as it's going up. It's not just like a big shoot up. It's going up and then down and up, and it's getting rejected and coming down and up and down. It's building structure on the way up. So it's just bullish forever. Now on the weekly, we saw what I called earlier at the start of my weekly analysis. I was like, because this is a resistance, I needed to come back down, maybe fill this wick. I wasn't wick fill, but I was like, maybe find this area, maybe fill this gap, and then come back up. It looks like it hasn't taken out that weekly range because it looks like it's a very strong level now. But it looks like this weekly should, again, depending on news, it should close. Look, well, depending on news, we don't know. We'll see. It might close bullish, it might close bearish. We have 9 hours left of that weekly. And on the daily, we're just in a range. Excuse me. Sorry, I was moving. A bit rude. I was moving today, so I'm a bit tired. Look, that's the range we're in. Hits its head, coming down. Touch there, come back up. It's just in a range. It's just going up and down and up and down and up and down and up. At least here, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just, they're printing side by side. There's no real structure to go up or down. So we'll see. 4 hour. Look at these 4 hours. Look at that. Oh, that is a teeny tiny range of nothingness in comparison to this. All right. Where we're in the 4 hour right now. On the 4 hour time, we are trying to break this level. But really, that's the actual 4 hour level. Which is that there. Those are the two levels on the 4 hour. Now, we have a support created and respected on this 4 hour here. So it looks like we could come up, but we still got a few rejections. If we come up and close above here, we're on to fly. All right, now let's see on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, now this level, probably we can just cheat and put it up a little bit higher, right? A little bit higher up there, just a little bit. And then on the 1 hour here, probably go there. Because even if it closes below there, how big is that as a range? That's 15 pips. It's better to just have the closure down here because it might come down and then fake out and bounce off here and go up. And there's no point taking that sell. So this looks like the range that we're in. Let's go on the 30. What's the 30 looking like? Oh, we've got another little bouncy bounce over here. Another little bouncy bounce. What's that? How big's that? 23 pips. And you've got this wick just there. This wick down here. I'm not comfortable with that. So what I would need is sells below and buys above. Yeah. You go away. Look, I'll leave it there, but you are Sells below. Cool. Am I in the way? I am. Woohoo! There we go. Buys above this little area. Sells if we break this structure and close on the 30 below this little support. That's what I'm looking at. I think that's what I'm looking at right now. And we'll see what happens. We're currently on our FTM-Oh challenge, by the way. Where are we on? We're at 201 down here, bottom left. We're 0.5% in profit, which is great. It's just steady gains. Steady gains. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. What did we do for today? This? Yeah, it was that little run. That one just here. We had... Where's the opening time? The earlier one. I think it was the break of the 15. Was the original entry. I wanted this, but then it came down, drawdown. What's this? 30. Yeah, okay. This one, it went straight down instantly. And I was going to take it off rip, but it just kept going. So I'm like, oh, yeah, I'll take it anyway. And then took a second entry a little bit lower, the weak entry, with the stop loss below the previous 1 hour. Go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Yeah. This here went straight down. I took it, I think, about here, and then another one about there, and the stop loss was under here. Bounced off, came up, and then I took my 10 pips. Yeah, which is about 10 pips from the wick. And this was, I was looking for the 10 pip off there, but it bounced back just because it was moving a bit quick around that area. Come back down to 8 pips, and then these were just break evens when it came back again. So yeah, let's see what happens. But right now, I can get rid of that. We're not looking for any moves. We're just going to wait for news, but we could get something. Could get something because this 1 hour's got 10 minutes to close. You can get there, and let's pull up magic keys, because this is a lifesaver right here. This is so good. Magic keys, bangers. Buy or sell NFP? Don't know. I have no clue. We'll see. I have no idea. It's hard. It's hard to pick. We just got to see what happens, and then go with that flow. And as it stands, we've got, where are we? Go down. NFP is at 10:30 my time, so that's in 40 minutes. We have NFP. In 40 minutes, we have NFP. So we'll just wait it out. Oh, look like the gold's melting. This could be a liquidity grab for it to go up. Don't know. Like, it could go down because it's got this liquidity down here. It might come down, take this out for news, and then to go back up, or it could come back down and find this support. We'll see. But this sells below point that I had here. It keeps melting. Like, Might even close back in range. That's crazy. This could close back in range. This could close back in range. Maybe. How's it look on the 15? You just gotta wait. Just gonna wait. I just want to keep myself accountable, eh? I want to like... I'm doing this series just so that I can like track my emotions, see what I'm feeling, why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling, what I'm doing. As the markets are moving, where I see it go without me or not go without me or stay or go or whatever, and I'm just trying to document how my emotions play into it, because emotions are the biggest factor. And right now, I'm just going to wait for news and see what happens with news, because news will be the big mover. Like here, there's not much I could take. So if it closes like this right now, that's 7 pips, 7 pip wick to look for it to fill. But this is just like, gold is so bullish. It's just so bullish. Hello, Satu Sama. Hello, fellow trader. Yeah, gold is just so bullish, and it's so tough to be able to sell gold right now and feel confident in leaving a runner. So it's just gotta wait for NFP and see what happens. But yeah. So like right now, would I take this sell looking for it to fill the range if it like on the closure? Or how big of a wick do I need? Because ideally what I would want is, if say it closes, is for it to go, is I would want it to go back up, retest this, and then when it goes down, take this entry, the flip is the idea. That would be the idea. But again, I'm just not confident in taking a gold sell right now, with it being so bullish, and we're half an hour from news. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit and wait, and I can just monologue like every other trader on here. Just monologue and talk about whatever's going on. Talk about their emotions, watching the trade, talking about their emotions, seeing the markets go, seeing FOMO kick in, because this is what's that? A 30 pip move, right? Look at that. What's that? 33, 34 pip move. It's so easy to fall into FOMO if it doesn't fit your plan. Now, for me right now, like I said, it's broken this range, and then also needed to break this range to break structure and feel like it's going to be bearish, that it's going to go down. So this is a 1 hour close as well. See that? There's that level there. And we've got this level down here as well. If it was to close below here, I'd feel more confident taking a sell. But right now, it's just not there. So we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. It's so easy to slip into making mistakes if you haven't got a sense of accountability, if you sat in front of the charts for way too long. It's so easy to just overtrade and go and see when this was all the way down here and go, oh, it's just going to melt and it's going to go down. So you sell and then it turns on you, and then you get out And then you start over trading to try and make back losses and everything. So me doing a stream, me doing this online, it gives myself a sense of accountability so I can look back on it and go, yep, you did the right thing, you did the wrong thing, you did whatever. And look, even this right now, it looks like it's it might close back in range, but it might not. But it's close. Look at this. Bro. Dead set. 1 hour close. It could close back in range. And you still got this little level down here. That could be a level. Again, I wouldn't take sells. I wouldn't. Look at this. Textbook. 5 seconds to go. Let's see. It's a 1 hour closure. Cool. Yeah, I would not be taking that at all. What's that? What's the 4 hour look like? It has 1 hour left on the 4 hour. And, oh yeah, that's that's a previous 4 hour support. So on the 4 hour, if we put it there, let's close back in range. But no, this is a 30-minute level for us that I've done. Buy or sell for me, I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to do anything right now. No buy, no sell. I'm just going to wait for news probably and just become a professional at sitting on my hands and not doing anything for right now. See, this has gone down. This is going down with no top wick or a very, very small top wick. So it's still not, I still wouldn't take this. Still would not be taking these. The only way I could maybe, but still I wouldn't, is if we got a wick to, damn it. If we got, where is it? Whoops. This. I'm not good at this drawing thing, but if we got a wick up to here first, and then it came back down, then I might. But even then, probably not. I'm still a little bit too hesitant on this one. And it's managing emotions. It's being able to sit here and watch the markets move and seeing a lot of people make a lot of money, if it's online or if it's people you know or in Discords or whatever, and making sure that your trading plan, whatever it is that you're sticking to it. Because if you're looking for a quick buck, it's not going to happen. You're going to get burned even quicker. If you're looking for a quick buck in trading, you're going to end up with a quick fuck in trading. Like, it's going to get you. But yeah. I'm just going to wait. See what news does. And then go from there. And just go from there. All right, let's do a hypothetical, right? So if we go to C trader, you go away. This go away. So if we come into C trader, right? What would be the move I'd take? So if it was an off the rip, right? Let's get magic keys up. Magic keys. By the way, this is incredible. This is so good. We can go open calc, and then I was to take a sell. You'd be down there maybe, and because we're using a 1 hour. I'd go a little bit. I'd go for a little bit of a lower time, even lower than that. Off this, right? And this you'd go for maybe 0.5%. And what's the RR, bro? 0.82. That's not worth it, man. It's not worth it because, look, it bounced off here. If I was to take it off rip, yeah, 10 pips, but it's a nervy 10 pips. It's just not for me. It's just not for me, man. So say you could take it there. Say if you take it there, take that sell, you'd have your stop loss just here above that candle and look for it to fill here. And that's, nah. Measure over 2500, 2503. Then pull back up. MACD is bullish for the week. All right. Hang on. You reckon it'll go to 2500 to 2503? So what, this little bit? 2500 there, between in here. Wrong one. 2500. What about there? To there, this little area. You reckon on the weekly? Go to the range, then pull back up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. It could do that. That, bro, it could do that. That looks like a very strong. Yeah, there. That looks like a nice and strong support. That, bro, that could happen. Man, with NFP, it could shoot down to here, touch this, and go up. So it could, but who knows? Oops. Who knows, man? Who knows? But yeah. So here, for example, if I'd have taken, I'll pull this back up. Market pending. If I'd have taken that, move for the sell, the reward's what? 9.8 pips, and we're risking that because this is a strong level. I wouldn't. Yeah, it's just not for me, man. It's just not for me right now. So we'll get rid of market pending. We'll get rid of open calc. Cool. But yeah, like I said, man, Magic Keys is so good. Magic Keys is this genuinely helped me manage my trades much, much better. It helped me, like be able to like close half, close full, close custom. And I've set my custom to 80%. Be able to add, if it moves in profit, put a stop loss at entry, and it does it automatically. It's so good. But yeah. Well, look at that. It would have played out. Nice little nine pips, maybe. Maybe. But yeah, we'll see. Again, I'm just waiting for news. I've seen a few fundamental articles and a couple fundamental opinions, and it seems it feels like it'll be bearish for the US dollar, which means it's good for gold, i.e. gold should go up. But who knows? Again, who knows? You just don't know. The numbers could be bad for the dollar, but gold could still maybe go down for a little bit because you just don't know. It could go down for our session, look for liquidity, and then go up. Yeah, no, I'm not taking that. Would not take that at all, because firstly, see now here, okay, here, this is a good reason of potential FOMO, right? Because it's so easy to be like, oh yeah, this 30-minute it closed below our level. I'll just click sell and pray for whatever happens. But for me, one reason why I didn't take this sell is because gold is so bullish. It's so hard to take a sell like that, especially this close to a previous support. To take a sell this close to a support, I'm just not that comfortable with it. And also on top of that, it made little to no no top wick. Like, that's tiny. Like, I couldn't take that, especially with that. Like, those two reasons were enough for me to be like, nah, I'm not taking them. And even now, it's managing emotions, right? It's seeing it run 25, 20. Like, I'm looking up here at this, at the top right up here. It sort of tells you how much, right? So it's going, what, 26 pips. It's running 26 pips, 25 pips. So, like, it's so easy to be like, I could have taken this sell. I could have taken this, and I could have, and I could have, and I could have. There's no reason. It only hurts if you go into I could have, and I could have. For all you know, you could have taken the sell. You could have taken the sell and it could have gone down and then ripped up. You just don't know. Again, we don't know. So right now, all we do is we sit and we watch and we learn. And that's it. And that's it. And that's all we do. We sit and we watch and we learn. And I'm by no means an expert. Like, I'm very, very young in the game. I'm not young. I'm just young in the game. I'm young in the trading space. I've got, what? Man, when did I do it? What month are we in? September. I haven't even got my year. It was probably like November last year of when I started getting really into it. And I had a month and a half off about March-ish. But yeah, I'm just trying to really lock in to my accountability. Just trying to really lock into the accountability and make sure that I'm on point. Is that our buys above? No, buys above is here. All right, can't even see on the thing. Actually, what can I do with me? Can I move it? No, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there. Here. About there. Yeah, there we go. I think that's okay. I think that's all right. So, yeah. And even now, the 30-minute, so this next 30-minute that will close below the level that I said sells below. But because there's news, I'm really, I don't want to be in a trade a few minutes before news or a minute or so after news. Like, I want to make sure that I see the move and see which way it goes, and then hedge my bets and go, yep, I think it's going to go that way, and then jump in for a little bit and then jump out. Whoops. Look at that 15 minute. And dealing with FOMO again. Seeing it run for 33, 34 pips. It's fine. Let it go. It's okay. It'll still be there. Not there? Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Whoops. Had the 15 minute close. Strong bearish. What's that candle? 31 pips. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see. Oof, it's melting. This could be liquidity. Could be like what Satusama said. It could rip down and then rip back up. About there. We just wait. We just wait. Wait until news. See what happens. This looks like it could be a little bit of a push down to take liquidity and fly. Or maybe a push down to be pricing it in. Who knows? You just don't know. How long we got left? How long we got left? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? 10:30. We are 10:18. So we have 12 minutes to go. 12 minutes. 12 minutes 12 minutes. Oh, nice little bounce. What happened there? 15-minute. What did it bounce off? Just this sort of general area, I guess. Yeah. Interesting. Or we could just maybe fill this fair value gap. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I don't know how the fair value gap thing works. I don't know a lot of the ICT stuff. It is above my pay grade, so. Oh, does this mean it's got a bit of a supply and demand, maybe? What's that? Is that a supply? Yeah, that looks like it might be a supply zone. Maybe? I don't know. Look at that little run there. Yeah? Or no? Is that right? Is that a supply zone? Is that what that is? This here? That there? Or no? Idea being that it does this. It goes up, touches there, and then goes down. Right? Or no? Have I got that right? That's supply and demand, I think. Any Doyle students? No? Doyle's a G, bro. Doyle's one of the goats. Man, I remember Doyle was the one that got... Holy dooly. Whoa! We're going to flip. Maybe. Or is that the supply zone? Nah, invalidated. Maybe. Breaks above. Or... Ooh, what's it doing? What's it doing? Look at that. 30-minute flip. Damn. Is that liquidity already? Is that what that was? Take this out. Because a lot of people would have had this. The sells below. And then as soon as it went down, would have taken the sells maybe. I don't know. I don't know. It's fun to speculate things like that. But the main thing is to stick to your plan. No matter what, as long as you stick to your plan. You can test it and test it and test it. You just make sure that you stick to your plan. I was listening to the podcast for on Words of Wisdom with Trader Nick, and he was saying if you had a coin and you had a weighted coin flip and you knew 60% of the time it fell heads, why would you ever choose tails? Always stick to your plan. If you know that your plan has 60% success rate, 55, whatever it is, whatever percent success rate it is, you should always stick to your plan. And yeah. Depending on how this goes, I might do up a little video for myself of like what the plan is, my trading strategy, how I trade, what the theory is, the theory of it is, you know. 7 minutes or 6.5 minutes, 6.5 minutes until NFP. Where is it? Non-farm employment change. That's the one. Because where is it? Also called non-farm payroll, NFP, employment change. Unemployment rate, jobless rate. Okay. Percentage of the total workforce that is unemployed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. They're expecting a 4.2. They're expecting a decrease. Actual less than 4. They're expecting decent numbers. What about NFP? Actual greater than forecast is good. They're expecting good for US dollar. Average hourly earnings, it's 0.3. Actual rate, they're this feels like it's all. It seems like that they reckon it'll be good for the US dollar, or at least the forecast might be good. We'll see. Here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute. What am I going to do with this? I will only do... 250, I think. 2.5. 2.5 lots is what I'll do. And then we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens, eh? Oh, she dancing already. Oof. Oh my days. Holy. Oh my god. Dude, that spread's insane. Right, 10 pip spread, 20 pip spread is crazy. Here we go. That's nuts, man. That is absolutely nuts. What do we get, news? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? NFP. That's not good. About the same. That's not good. What do we get for hourly earnings? Yeah, she's going to go up. Do we take the high? Oh, I should have taken the flip. That's okay. If we break the highs. So I'll put this just above there. Oh, we're in. All right, how do we manage this? Let's turn this on. Let's get magic keys up. Okay. Oof. That's what, 23? Fine. That'll do me. 22 bips. Not bad. Not bad for a second. Oh, bro, that's gone. She can go. She can go. Where is it? There it is. $20 pips. 20 pips. Done. 20 pips. Easy peasy. Thanks for coming. What's this going to do, bro? Let's have a look. Whoo! Damn, she is gone. Holy moly. This is all-time high. We're in that territory. What did this candle do? Let's have a look. This candle did 100 pips. 100 pips in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, bro. Look at these 1 minute candles. What did this do? 76 pips. 76 pips is nuts. 30. This is already 10. Far out, man. This is insane. Where's this 5 minute going to close? If the 5 minute leaves a wick, I can take another entry. We'll see what happens. Get this out of the way. Yeah, so we're definitely not doing any of this. And there's none of this. Let's have a look. 1 hours. Yeah, that was that little range. That's the big range. That's the boss. Right, and that's here. There. So we go back to this. You can go away. We go to the 5 minute. Did he go back to our entry point? Oh, there you go. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. 20 pips, man. We're chuffed. Chuffed. Loving life. We are loving it. Really good. Really happy. Very, very happy. we take this off rip? Maybe. You could do. 5-minute closure above the range. It's all bullish. You could, but I'm not going to. Hang on. Let's go to the 5-minute. There's a little 1-minute range. So if we go to the 5, I'm not gonna. What did I do? Was that 250? Oh, it was 2.5 lots. Okay, fair enough. I'll go even less, man. I reckon I'll go a one lot. Let's see what the 1 lot does. Buy it off rip. Oh, nice little push down. So I'd be in there, right? Theoretically, I'd be in there. Yeah, not bad. Hey, right, 20 pips. Sweet. All right. What did we get? Where is it? Right here. There it is. There's the move. Let's get back to the 1 minute because these candles are huge. Look at that right there. Bush. We took, it was the break of the range. And that was it. I'm not touching this. This is way too volatile. This ain't it for me. I might wrap it up soon, if I'm honest. Yeah. I might call it. But for today, for the day, we got 1.9K on our 200K FTM-Oh challenge. If you want to do it, link down below. Anyway. Yep. So today we did, just done. It's a 1.9% for today, which is really good. The week we did, what, 5.6? That's 2.8%. 2.8% for the week. Very happy with that. Especially considering, if you can do the math, look, that's our balance right now. At the start, we were in drawdown. So we've steadily, just nice and easy, made our way up. Nice and easy. You know? The reason this news candle was a 2.5 lot instead of the bigger one is because it's news, because you just don't know. You don't know what's going to happen. And I'm very cautious of news. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now for this account. That's what, 201,802. And then let's have a look at our other one. Our other one is at... Our other one, when it wants to connect, is it's $2 off 201. Okay. So I've got... Oh, shit. What is that? Oh, there you go. That's still in. Wow, that one's still in. Cool. All right, we'll get out of that. Okay. There you go. I didn't even know that. Oh, there you go. It took 20 pips anyway. Sweet. That's annoying, though, that it didn't do it. It's very annoying. Normally it does it, and it's bang on. Anyway. So, yeah, this one's what? 201,491. And the other one is 201. 201,802. So it's slowly building the accounts back up. Just nice and easy, building them back up to get to passing the first stage, past the second, and then getting funded, you know? And the way I want to be using trading is I don't want this to be full-time for right now. For right now, if at the start it can just cover one of my bills in the month, I'm happy. If it can just cover one of my bills, I'm like, sweet, that's one. That's one checkbox that I don't have to worry about. And then if you can build it up a little bit more, and a little bit more, and a little bit more, then we can get the ball rolling. But yeah, for right now, we took 20 pips on news. Happy days. 20 pips in, how long is that? What's that? 10:30 and 40 seconds. 10:30 and 59. So that's 20 seconds. A second a pip. 1 second, 1 pip. Crazy. That's news. That's why I only did 2.5 instead of my 12.5 that I would do. That's nuts. But I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the day. I'm happy with the week. At some point, I'll probably do a weekly review and then a weekly preview as well. So I'll review my trades that I did for the week at some point throughout the weekend, and then I'll look to try and see what I think might happen for the next week with gold. And oh, whoopsies. You were meant to see that. Oh well. Yeah, and what this means. This will be interesting. Member speaks. We'll see what happens there, and I'll do some research and see what this means fundamentally. But yeah, other than that, for the few people that are here, if you like, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. It helps. Any little bit helps me walk through the mean streets of the algorithm. But other than that, I reckon I can wrap it up and call it a week.